Hi everyone, welcome back to Beauty and Food, and today we're going to make crispy and crunchy chicken fillet. Check it out! First, we need to marinate the chicken thigh fillet with chili powder, garlic powder, salt, ground black pepper. Mix everything together and leave it to marinate for at least 2 hours in the fridge. Now for the coating, beat 2 eggs and 1 tablespoon of milk in a bowl. Now in another container or a bowl, mix 1 cup of potato starch, 1 cup of flour, salt, and black pepper, and mix it well. Dip each piece of chicken into the egg mixture. Coat it evenly with the flour mixture and shake off excess flour. We are going to double fry all the chicken pieces. So first, fry the chicken for about 10 minutes. And then take it out. Let it sit for a few minutes and fry it again for another 10 minutes for the second frying. Before that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel Beauty and Food, click the bell for notification, and like this video. And voila, it's done! There you have it, super crispy and crunchy chicken fillets. Enjoy it! Bon appetit!